Hey, let's talk about noise pollution. Have you ever heard this sound? This is what you hear in the construction activity area. And the aircraft or any transportation. Haha, I know, sounds bad, right? But what is a noise pollution? Noise pollution, also known as environmental noise or sound pollution, it is a propagation of noise with a ranging impact on human or animal life activity. First, engineers create a hearing protection, also known as HPD. It's a protection device that worn over the ears while exposed to hazard noise. This is the best protection to eliminate excessive noise for individual. This the small and easily carried. It is more comfortable for long-term wear. In the aircraft, engineers invent a reducing fuel burn by using the high bypass ratio turbofan. Engineers also using a land use planning, such as airport that placed at appropriate place, such as away from the sensitivity area, which is mostly far away from the city. In the vehicles, engineers create a ANC. It's a device that generates the anti-noise waveform in anti-phase mode. This active noise can cancel out the constant white noise like road noise and engine noise. In the construction, engineers create a barrier or a sound wall to protect citizens while the noise is absorbed or reflect, which is using the different type materials, which is you mostly seen at the construction, like this green wall.
Hi everyone, my name is SHARVIN POOBALAN. Today I'll be talking about engineers on the evolution of transportation industry. At first we will be seeing the Shinkansen of Japan, which is the bullet train. Next we will be looking into the infamous Tesla. Lastly, I would like to talk about the cargo ships, which I think is a major evolution in the transportation industry.
So how does engineering manage water pollution? Water is an essential source on Earth, so the issues related to water pollution need to be addressed in this video. Generally, when the population density has risen, an engineering solution to manage human waste are required. First of all, engineering are responsible to handling the domestic water treatment. It consists of two types, drinking water treatment and wastewater treatment. It involves the screening process, the removal of dense material from the downstream, the coagulation process used to remove fine particles from suspended objects, the sedimentation process where the heavy particles settle at the bottom and make a sludge, the filtration process where the water processed through an amount of sand, and lastly the disinfection process where a portion of chlorine is added. So the environmental engineer is responsible for improving the treatment of water, wastewater and contaminated air. So in conclusion, by building a wastewater treatment facility in Cat 8 and the release untreated water that is combined from the combined sewer system, depending on your job description, you may be responsible not only for the design of water treatment system but also of their operation and management. In short, engineers manage water using both natural and constructed methods, some of which are hybrid. Thank you for hearing.